In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Booking.com confirmation number. Your confirmation number, sometimes called your booking reference, is the key to managing your reservation, checking in smoothly, and contacting the property. There are two quickest places to find it: in the confirmation email you received after booking and inside your Booking.com account if you made the reservation while signed in. Let's start with the email. Right after you complete a reservation, Booking.com sends a confirmation message to the email address you used at checkout. Open that email and look near the top. You'll see the confirmation number clearly labeled, usually a mix of letters and numbers. If it's not obvious right away, scroll a bit. It's typically shown alongside your stay details. Can't locate the message? Use your inbox search and type phrases like Booking.com confirmation or the name of the hotel or property you booked. Narrow the search by the date you made the reservation if you remember it. Also check folders where automated messages might land, such as spam, junk, or promotions. Some inboxes sort travel emails into a dedicated tab, so take a quick look there as well. If you find it, move it to your main inbox and mark it as important so it's easy to access later. Still not seeing it? Double-check that you're looking in the same email account you used to book. People sometimes switch between personal and work addresses without realizing it. It's also worth scanning your archived or deleted folders in case you swiped it away by accident. If your email app supports a universal search across all folders, run that to catch any stray results. Now, if you booked while signed into your Booking.com account, you can pull up the confirmation number inside your account. Go to Booking.com and sign in, then open Bookings or My Trips. Select the reservation, and you'll see the confirmation number displayed prominently with your stay dates and other details. This works on both the website and the mobile app, and it's handy even if your email didn't arrive or got filtered. If you don't see the trip, make sure you're in the right account, especially if you sometimes use different login methods. A quick log out and log back in can also refresh your list. Once you've found the number, take a screenshot or note it somewhere safe. You may need it for check-in or when contacting the property, and it helps you manage changes to your stay. That's it. Search your email first, then check your Booking.com account if you booked while signed in, and you'll have your confirmation number in no time.